Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today's video and I hope y'all are gonna be too. So today's video is going to be a giveaway. Woo woo! It's giveaway time, y'all. So I have partnered up with a company called GIS Cosmetics. They are actually a new company and their website and everything is launching on April 1st. I think you guys are going to love their makeup. So first I want to tell you a few things about their makeup. Number one, they are cruelty-free, not tested on animals. They're also fragrance-free, non-comodogenic, paraben-free, hypoallergenic, and allergy tested. So if any of you out there are into cruelty-free products or you're into products that will work well with your skin, you guys will love this company. Their makeup is perfect for you. So there's actually going to be 2 winners in this giveaway, which I'm so happy about. I feel so bad sometimes when I do a giveaway and there's like only 1 prize, 1 winner, and then like I feel like everybody else feels left out, like I normally do when I don't want to give away. So there's gonna be 2 prizes, 2 winners, holla! Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you like a little picture here on the screen just to show you kind of what the prizes look like. One prize is going to be a set of 3 different lipsticks, which I'll show you here. And then the other prize is going to be like this little gift set that comes with a makeup bag, a little powder poof, and 2 makeup products, which I'm going to show you because I have 2 of them. So in the little makeup bundle, they're going to be travel sizes, but these are the full sizes. But one of the prizes is going to be this right here. This is actually called Mineral Icing Sugar. And it's like a highlighting powder. You can use it as a highlighter. You can put it wherever you want to put some highlight shade. You can use it on your nose, use it as eyeshadow. It's absolutely gorgeous. I actually have the shade Trinket. You'll be getting a shade called Ice. And then another prize in the bundle is this right here. This is called Sheer Glow, and it's an illuminating lotion. So you can use this as a highlighter. You can use it by itself on your skin, or you can mix it in with your foundation just for like an illuminating glow. It's absolutely beautiful. And you'll actually be getting this shade here, which is called Movie Star. Feeling like a little hand model right now. So the set is really cute and I think you guys are going to love it, and I'll show you a picture of it here. So the rules are gonna be really simple. So everything that you're gonna need to know is going to be down in the description bar. First thing you have to do is follow GIS Cosmetics on Instagram. So if you have an Instagram account, I'll post the link down below. Just click it and follow it, or you can look it up on your app if you have the app on your phone. Just look up GIS Cosmetics. I will write somewhere on the screen how it is written out on their Instagram so you can find them more easily. The second thing you have to do is follow them on Facebook, which I will also post down below. So you can just click that and then like their Facebook. I'm sorry, I said follow because I'm an Instagrammer. I'm not much on Facebook, so like, follow, whatever. Just like their Facebook. And the third thing that I'm gonna need you to do is comment down below. All I want you to do, I mean, you can say whatever you want. It's not gonna make a difference because the winners are going to be chosen randomly. But just let me know down below that you followed them on Instagram and you like their Facebook. And all you have to do after you do those 2 steps is comment down below and let me know that you did it. So follow them on Instagram, like their Facebook page, and then just comment down below and say done, or say whatever you want. You can say, hey girl, hey, I did it. Just make sure whatever you do say, let me know that you want to win and that you did the 2 steps. Also, I'm gonna post their website in the description. This company is launching on April 1st, so all of their products are going to be available in their shop for you to purchase. And another good thing, they gave me a coupon code, so let's say you win the products and you absolutely love them, you want to buy some more, you can buy some more and use my coupon code and get an awesome discount. Or if you don't win, but you really want to try their products, maybe you get on the website, you see some stuff you like, use my coupon code. So the coupon code is going to be charity15, which I will post down below so it's easier for you to just copy and paste if you want to use it, and that will get you 15% off of your entire purchase. Yay! I'm so excited for this giveaway because I love doing giveaways and I love being able to give my subscribers prizes because I love you guys so much. So don't forget, there's going to be 2 winners, 2 different prizes. All you have to do is like their Facebook, follow on Instagram, leave a comment down below, let me know that you want to win and that you did the 2 things that I mentioned. So yeah, like I said, 2 winners, 2 prizes, super simple. All the information is going to be provided down below, as well as their website, my discount code, and whatever else I feel like telling you. So good luck to everyone, and thank you so much for watching my video. Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and turn your notifications on so you'll always be notified when I upload a new video. And I'll see you next time. Bye!